Does anyone actually read these anymore? So in last week's 2-Minute Tuesday, our lights were off, but they're back on now, and we talked about some important numbers as far as how much fluid you need if you were doing an oil change or coolant flush or gear oil change. And then I got a couple comments asking what the recommended time intervals were for that sort of stuff, which I should have included in that video, but here we are, and that's what we're going to cover in this week's 2-Minute Tuesday. So let's put 2 minutes on the clock, and I'm just going to go down the list. We're going to start off with your engine oil and your oil filter, which should be changed out every 6,000 miles or every 3 months. Now, this is relative to how hard you drive your car or how much you drive your car. If you track your car a lot or beat on it daily, you may want to change it out a little bit sooner. It's all up to you. Then we're going to move to your spark plugs, which should be inspected and changed if necessary every 6,000 miles. For your timing belt, you should be changing that out at 96,000 miles and your fuel filter at 72,000 miles. Then we have your air intake filter, which should be changed every 30,000 miles. And as far as your coolant goes, if you bought your car new, it's good for 11 years or 137,500 miles, and then every 6 years or 75,000 miles after that. Transmission gear oil, CVT fluid, front and rear differential gear oil should all be inspected and changed if necessary every 30,000 miles. Your brake fluid as well, and then your brake pads should be inspected every 12,000 miles. So every 2 oil changes, you should be taking a look at that to make sure they aren't dwindling down too much. Tires are definitely something you want to keep your eye on. You should be rotating your tires every 6,000 miles, so pretty much every oil change you want to rotate those tires if you want to get the most out of them and maintain even tire wear. And last but not least, we have your air cabin filter, which should be changed every 12,000 miles. All this information is available in your warranty and maintenance booklet, but I will also leave it in the description below. If you guys like these sort of informational videos or have any video requests, let me know in the comment section down below. And that pretty much covers it for this week's 2-Minute Tuesday. I'll see you guys in the new products video. And every 7 years or 70, nope, it's 6 years, six years.